So here we have the Record Power Revolving Centre kit. We've got the sample one in a number 2 Morse taper, but obviously there's possibility of making a number 1 or number 3. The point of the actual revolving centre is 60 degrees. And the overall length is 135mm, or just over 5¼ inch. The Morse taper length being 69mm. Then we've also got a double seal for life bearing or twin bearing in the head. The advantage of the 60-degree taper is that it's going to help distribute the weight for the larger work and also give you a deeper bite, which is going to help absorb any vibration from the wood when turning. And this is where it gets interesting, because what we can do is pop that centre out, and obviously there's an eye tolerance on the location point, but to secure it in place we've got this O-ring. And that, what I like about that is when we're actually locating it, as you locate it there's a definite pop to secure it into place, and then you know you're ready to go. Obviously if you get a little bit of wear over the years, the O-ring can be simply replaced and you've not disturbed the tolerance of the actual fit. While we've got that centre out, what you'll see is that the ring centre has been machined into the revolving centre. What you can do then with the Tommy bar, which has got the point on the end, that'll allow you, when it's in position, to locate the centre of the timber on the point before drawing in on the tailstock to press onto the ring centre. Again, to distribute the weight evenly around the ring, give you a nice smooth turning or finish. Obviously while you've got that there as well, there's a 5/16 hole drilled all the way through the centre. So when you're using the ring centre in the same way, it allows you to remove the Tommy bar and put the 5/16 auger in to drill from behind the tailstock. Then we come to the next point, which is the step down centre. And what we've done on here, as you locate it again, nice location on there, we've got that ground at 90 degrees because we're expecting you to do smaller work like your finials, etc. And because of the angle of that, it's not going to split the timbers on the end. But also, because of the length of the centre, it still allows you to get round the back and finish the ends of the timber and give your access with your turning tool without removing. Remove that, and one of the other applications is the pen mandrel. Again, same sort of location, we can press that in. Now, when you're doing pen work, normally what happens is you'll put your pen mandrel in, and then there'll be a nut or a thread that you need to tighten up to lock the timbers in place when you position your bushes. We don't need that on this setup because we can take the nut or the thread off and the washer, put that to one side. We can actually put the pen mandrel in, locate that in position, bring that up over the pen mandrel, and it accepts that through the bore, lock the tailstock off. Then as we turn the handle on the tailstock, it's going to compress the bar that the timber's sat on and actually give you a nicer fit. What people tend to do when they're using the locking system with the nut is over tighten it, and the bar starts to bend or twist and don't give you a nice rotation. So this method allows you to do that. So we can knock that back out of the way, bring the set back in, and again, with it having the number 2 Morse taper, it fits all the record lathes. We can take the centres out as we wish, leaving the full kit. Now obviously this can be added to, so what we've done is just giving you a quick brief on what we've got at the moment, with plans to put other centres in. If you can recommend other centres that you think could be suitable for this kit, please let us know.